Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. In dividing two powers with the same base, we have to perform which one of the following operations. Now the question is asking if I have same base for two numbers, that is a divided by a. But these two numbers have some powers. For example, a has m and this a has n. So the question is asking in dividing two powers with the same base. Now the base is same but powers are different. What operation do we perform with mn? We perform subtraction. We solve it in this way, a to the power m minus n. So we subtract the exponents. So answer is option B.